Hey guys, make sure you stay until the end. If you make one common mistake, you can burn modules and computers that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs when replacing car battery. We will explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Volkswagen Tiguan first generation. We're talking about that MK1 from year 2008 to year 2017. If you guys have one of those, if you have a problem where the battery is not good, you need to replace it, the car doesn't start, battery is weak, stay with us. We'll explain guys how to replace it step by step, what not to do, what to do. If you do something wrong, you can burn modules and computers that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So guys, before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why? We take them completely apart. We show you how to do anything from engines, transmissions, bodywork, electrical components, fuses. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. And for any of you that need to buy any parts, tools for your car at a really good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. We'll put a link in the description of the video below. Check it out, you can save quite a bit of money. So guys, first we need to open the hood. Once you open the hood, your car battery will be under that cover right here. That's where you can find it. So press here, pull it out. This is done, this car battery is done. Even if we test it, it's practically completely shot guys. So what you will need to do to remove it now. First guys, okay, very important in which order you remove the terminals, otherwise you can cause damage to modules, computers that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. How we know that? We burn a computer on Mercedes that cost us $2,000 back in the day that we were still learning things. Negative terminal needs to be disconnected first. Always use gloves because you will have battery acid all over the place, especially if it's an old battery. Then you disconnect the positive, first negative, second positive. Now that cover here guys, okay, sometimes you can pull it out, but what we can do, just get an extension, okay, it will come out on some models, you can come loose, but we don't need to. We get the extension, 13mm socket, you get there and you get that bolt loose. And once you get it loose, I can come through here, okay, check it out, make sure engine or anything is not running, of course, and I can get it. Okay, perfect, just like this one. Make sure you don't lose it. Now you grab your battery and you pull it out. Okay, perfect, just like this one. This is the old one. Now we are ready to put the new one back in place. So I'm going to pull the terminals out of the way. Okay, 1 second. Perfect. Now let's lock that in place. Everything needs to be locked in place, okay, to make sure that everything fits correctly, and then we're going to install the battery mount. We're going to put our case, make sure it's not loose around the battery. Now I'm going to get the mount, okay, with the bolt. It goes, okay, this way, like this one. I'm going to go through the hole here. Okay, we need to install the mount first. Start the bolt. Okay, you can see it right there, and we need to go ahead and tighten it so the battery doesn't go anywhere. So let's go ahead, do that. Perfect. Next, installing the terminals is in reverse order. We took them apart. First you need to install the positive terminal. That will be step number 1. So okay, go ahead. You need to clean your terminals if they have acid, corrosion or anything like that. Ours are pretty clean, but otherwise you might need to clean them, okay, because otherwise they will not be contacting the battery good, the car will not be charging, and the car may not even start in some cases. So we're doing this thing now. Perfect. Next we're installing the negative terminal. Okay. And after that guys, it's good to get a battery corrosion preventative spray. This thing is amazing. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. This is the knuckle one. Shake it good, shake it really good, Okay, perfect. And you're going to spray the terminals. Okay, see if we ran out. Yeah, I think we ran out on this one. Unfortunately, all the spray nozzle probably got plugged up in the front. Okay, let's see. No, yeah, oh, it sprayed. It just got, because we used it last time, and we've been using it for quite a while now. Okay, perfect, but that's good. Okay, battery corrosion preventative spray. So, we got that one, close it, okay, and now that's the whole procedure, guys. Hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching, see you next time.